Hello, I am going to show you how the High Frequency Word Search app can be used in classrooms to offer students a fun and interactive way to practice finding spelling and comprehending high-frequency words. Primary High Frequency Word Search can be used on any Apple device. To find the app, you will need to go to the App Store and search for Primary High Frequency Word Searches. Click on the app and approve the 99-cent charge to download. This app can be used to engage students at a various age and academic level to participate in spelling and finding certain high-frequency words. The students will open the app and see that there are word sets already designed specifically for certain ages. Teachers can click on the Quest tab to evaluate students' progress. Although not all words that are taught in the classroom will appear on each puzzle, the levels become increasingly harder each time one is completed. There are options for students from grade 1st through 6th. Each grade contains more puzzles than previous. Reception contains 4 puzzles. Years 1 and 2 contain 15 puzzles. Years 3, 4, and 5 contain 18 puzzles. And Year 6 contains 34 puzzles. Initially, students can start out on the reception class and complete the 4 puzzles given. It has a time limit, which offers students encouragement to stay on task. When completing each level of puzzles, students have the option to ask for hints at a cost of 15 coins each, to remove characters at a cost of 80 coins each, and also resolve the puzzle at a cost of 300 coins each. When students have completed a word search level, they will be shown their time and points awarded. So, for instance, I will show you how to complete one and what it looks after you are done. The word day, the, up. Sometimes, even though it may be shown correctly in one way, the word search does only have the option of the way that it wants it. So the word up is this way. Look, are, come, you, Some of these can be harder to find than others, and it offers students a chance to be engaged and actively participate, even though they may get frustrated. There it is, the word you, the word go, and the word want. Once students are done, it says, "Congratulations, you have completed the quest. Complete 3 different sessions under 3 minutes each." It shows the time that they took to complete and the points they were awarded. They are given the options of restarting the completed word search level, going on to the next game, going to settings, and back to word sets. For instance, if students are in the middle of a word search, such as of, and need to pause their time, they can click on the button at the top left-hand corner, and they will be taken back to the same options as before. This app will give students an interactive and engaging opportunity to apply their knowledge and skill through high-frequency words. It also allows the teacher to see a way to easily monitor students' progress in spelling, reading, and understanding high-frequency words. So this shows that I have completed 3 different sessions under 3 minutes each and completed 2 consecutive sessions under 3 minutes each. But I am still not done with Puzzle 1. So as you can see, this offers several different age groups and levels for each student's academics. This offers an interactive way for students to practice high-frequency words and also allows the teacher to use this during downtime or stations or various other ways of implementing this to help them when practicing high-frequency words.